Today is Logan's birthday.
Yeah, and then you guys got
Logan, how old are you?
4.
4.
And look at this from the God.
Yeah, it's one of your birthday presents. We're on our way to Tidal Cove, which is a water park in Aventura that we're gonna spend the day there, and we rented at the Marriott. We're gonna stay at the hotel.
So, surprise!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Logan. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
4 years old.
4 years old, puppy.
He's like, I don't care, I'm having my kid.
So I didn't get to do like a proper like room tour of the hotel because I was with the baby and she got a little cranky, but we had a really good time at the water park today. It was super hot though.
Yeah, and then they just draw down and then the icing cup is got fire. And then somebody got fire.
You had a good time, Yemlin?
Yeah, it's was white.
Lots of water, Yemlin.
Yeah.
So I'll be doing like a little room tour in a little bit.
Oh yeah, and then what?
The room is a disaster, but we are checking out today. I got some Starbucks for breakfast.
Ooh, baby shark.
And look at that view outside, it's so pretty. So here is the walkthrough of the room. We've already like slept in it. And we're checking out. Yeah, Papa. So we got the king size bed, and then here it came with like the walk-in closet. Really spacious. We asked for a mini fridge for the room. The TV console is really pretty. A little dining space. This was a pull-out couch where Logan slept at night.
Yeah.
It was really great. And the view. Dada slept with you too?
Yeah, and then that's super cool because under this we just open, and then everything is open.
Yeah. You liked staying here?
Yeah.
Okay. Someone is happy to be home. Right, mi amor? Her new favorite toy is this piano kick and play from Fisher Price. Logan had one too when he was little. Logan, you're happy to be home, Papa?
Yeah.
Not so loud, Gordo.